Welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny, and today I'm just going to be doing a life update for you. But yeah, and I'm also going to be reviewing this beautiful makeup collection right here, the Flower Nose collection. Yeah, if you are interested in this video, please keep on watching. Okay, so starting on a fresh face. I did move. I live in Atlanta now. I live in my fiance's apartment, our apartment now, but this is a new experience for me. The traffic completely scares me around here. I'm getting used to it. I'm staying local until I can kind of get used to the traffic and everything. I didn't know where to film or anything like that here, so I just kind of chose this as my recording space. Okay, so what I got for Christmas, to my fiance, I wanted some makeup, and this makeup line called Flower Nose. And they have this really like beautiful makeup. It came like, some of it came, it doesn't all fit in there, but some of it came in this beautiful box. Look how gorgeous that is. It's the Swan collection, most of it. Some of it fits in here, but I got a lot more stuff than this. Cute little brushes right here that came with it. I'll probably be using some of these today. They gave me a couple of them, which was really nice. And then, and I also got this bow that came with the collection, but it's just a clip-on kind of bow. So pretty. Ordered mainly one mirror, but one mirror came free. So here's the packaging. It's in Chinese because it is a Chinese line of makeup. I'm gonna use this mirror today, but here is the mirror. There is right there. Like, how beautiful is that? Like, it looks like it's fit for literally royalty. And it has Flower Nose on the bottom. It comes in a couple of different colors. I'm gonna take this tape off so I can use it on doing my makeup. It also came with, this was a free gift with it. And it looks like it's part of the new line, because the new line is like angels, but it says 6th anniversary on the bottom, and it has like angels on it. It says Flower Nose, so pretty. Let me just move my hair out of my face. I did recently lose a loved one. I did lose a man I consider my father, and so he passed literally a couple of days before I was supposed to move to Atlanta. My plan was already going to move to Atlanta in mid-December, but he passed away like that Tuesday before I left that weekend. So I did end up staying in Fayetteville a little longer to get the funeral taken care of. And I've never lost anyone that close before. I think kind of hard to talk about losing someone that close, but he's not my biological father, but he is a man I consider my father. You know, he's been there for me most of my life. We were always together and always around each other right before I was about to leave. It was so sudden, so my heart goes out to anyone who has lost a loved one, because it is so hard. I'm praying for healing, because I know God gives me strength every day to get through it, and my fiance has been super supportive and amazing. You know, I'm thankful that I was able to be here for Christmas to just kind of out of that environment. He was an amazing man. He was my godfather. He was in the military for 27 years, and he was a realtor. He was a very proud man. Everyone in town loved him. He was so loved. He was so respected, such a good person. I miss him a lot, but you know, I'm so thankful for the life he had here, and I'm so thankful to call such a great, amazing man my father, my godfather. And he's at peace now, you know. God has been so good to him, and I'm just thankful for the life he lived. He lived a good, long, happy life. 2 years old, he was about to be 83. So thankful for the life I have with him. I'm gonna calm down But my fiance has done an amazing job of, when I moved in, helping making me feel comfortable. He's allowed me to come in and bring all my stuffed animals. As you can see, I have my stuffed animals, my candles, all my girly stuff. I have pink everything in the kitchen now, but he seems okay with it. So I'm thankful that he's helped me to feel comfortable. He got me these beautiful flowers, which I'm trying to make sure they last as long as possible. Basically, like flowers that are supposed to last up to a year. I told him I wanted pink flowers, and he's terrible at remembering to buy me flowers, so I told him to get these. I'm good. So let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is prime Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer. Yeah, me and my fiance, we plan on getting married either this month, January, or next month, February. We're just gonna go to the courthouse. We will take some pictures, so I am just gonna get like a cute wedding dress off Amazon and just to take pictures in. No wedding, just cause too expensive, first of all. Too expensive. We don't have enough family. We rather spend that money elsewhere. So yeah, but I'm excited to get married though. Like, I'm looking forward to that. I am just going to be, just to set my face, set the primer, I'm going to be using the Colourpop Pretty Fresh in the color Dark 18. They are pretty pricey. These products probably are pretty affordable in China, but here, since they got the shipping and everything, they do cost more. Fill in my eyebrows with the eyebrow pencil in Brunette. Just a little bit of the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Tinted Moisturizer, 18W also.
Dude, we're eyes out of the shop. Give it back. It's ridiculous. Dude, you're done. You know you love me.
I'm gonna have to find that episode. I'm gonna have to find that episode on YouTube because I didn't get to watch the full thing. Concealer in, I'm pretty sure 360, yeah. So I only use about a little bit. This is the powder I have. So this is another Flower Nose product. They got, look how, oh my goodness. And you see there's, try to, that was kind of bright. There's ballerina shoes on there. Look how gorgeous that is. And then when I open it, it's a cute little thing on there. It's supposed to be some setting powder. And just so you know, most of these products, I can't say whether they're color girl friendly, black girl friendly. I don't know. So keep that in mind when you buying these products. Okay, so we're gonna set with this. It's whiting me out. It looks more white than pink. Oh gosh, it's so funny. I'm about to be looking casket ready. But let's get to the eyes. And so here's the other product. This is the palette. This is the box it comes in. So gorgeous and beautiful. This is one of my favorite products of the line. So this is how it looks. And that's just the back. Built for royalty. And if you open it, you get this beautiful, these two right here are glittery, and then it looks like it has 3 mattes and then that darker color right there. So absolutely beautiful. And if you look closely, it's a ballerina right there, and each of them are textured. This one says Flower Nose on it, ballerina shoes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe it off and then put on my Fenty powder. I probably should have just kept it around. Probably should have just kept it around here so that, yeah, it wouldn't have done all that, but it's okay. My Fenty powder right here in Honey. I'll go in with this one. I'll go in with this one right here. Let's see how pigmented it is. Oh, it's actually showing up a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with the one right here with the ballerina shoes. Oh, and right here, there is a little writing right here. It does say the dream that never ends. Color right there. So there's two glittery ones. I think I'm gonna do both. And they show up pretty glittery. I tested it out one time and I was like, wow. So like if you look at my arm, one of them's more glittery, another one's more pink. Okay, so I have two things from the Mermaid collection, which is also another one of their collections, which they have beautiful, beautiful stuff. I'll probably show just some pictures up here about some of the looks from the Mermaid collection, but it's so beautiful too. It was hard deciding should I get the Swan collection or the Mermaid collection, but I like Swans more. But here is the liner from the collection. So it's very, very pretty. And here it is right here. And it has a moon with a castle, sparkles. So it's like a fine point tip. So I like to use two mascaras right here. Lash Princess, Anastasia, Beverly Hills Lash. The transition to Atlanta has been pretty nice. It's a very busy city. We live in Sandy Springs. If I had to choose to live in Atlanta on my own, I probably would not ever move here. Then it should be fine. I'll get used to it. I just need time. I am going to be going to school. Like right now I'm not working. I used to be a bank teller for about 2 years at Wells Fargo, and then I will be going to school full-time in either the summer or the fall. Focus is right now just getting married and getting adjusted to each other's lives, and then school after that. I don't feel like putting on any lashes today. I just don't feel like it. But I'm gonna go in with my Colourpop Press blush. It's a blush, but it's starting to be a contour, so I'm just gonna use it as a contour. They need more collections like this. Colourpop. I buy from them because their products are good and affordable, but they don't have a lot of good variety. They need to do better with that. The next product is from the Swan collection also, and it is the brush. Here it is right here. It also says Flower Nose. It's just so pretty. It is the blush from the Swan collection. So this one's blue. This is probably my favorite looking product from the whole collection. Absolutely beautiful. I don't know how well this is gonna show up on me. Okay, let me see if I can pick up. Look how much detail. If you look closely, it says Flower Nose in there. I think further down right here. It's hard to pick it up. I'm gonna try to pick it up with this brush if it will do it. Okay, this brush ain't gonna pick it up. So let me try to use one of these. We're gonna use one of these now. They're so cute. Look at that. I know in Asian countries they like to put the blush more all over, like that. It's widening me out a little bit. So I'll be pretty light with it. It's like I can't really see it on that side, but I can see it a little bit now. Okay, so this blush is probably too light for me. I should have maybe got an orange, but even the orange may not have shown up on me too well, but it's okay. Last but not least is the lip product. This is also from the Mermaid collection right here. And if you look closely, it's like in the middle, it's like a little mermaid right there on the moon or whatever. And then there's a moon in the back. The whole collection just, So, and how pretty is this gloss? As you can see, the detailing, the gorgeous mermaid says Flower Nose. Yeah, I'm gonna use my NYX lip line. Smells like strawberries. Smells really good. Oh, it's kind of wet. Kind of a wet feel. I don't know about a wet feeling gloss. It feels like it's not gonna stay on. Looks like it's showing up on camera, but okay. Oh, let me put on another layer, because it's like I feel it. It feels like it's just not enough. Like I need more. I'll put a little more blush on my cheek. And we'll just take down. Oh, and I did cut bangs in my hair. There, you can't really tell. And I wear a middle part now. I would say the bangs, cutting bangs into my hair was the best thing I could have ever done for my hair. It allows me not to keep messing with my edges, and I'm able to wear a middle part. But I just freshly washed my hair, so that's why it looks like a fresh blowout. Final thoughts on the whole collection. Now that I've tried everything, not everything's person of color friendly. I would say design wise, the blush is my favorite looking part of the collection. And this mirror I'm going to be using all the time. I love this mirror so much. And the liner, I'm definitely going to be using the liner. As a person of color, if you're going to buy anything from the collection, safe to buy the gloss, which I am seeing it more now that I'm looking on camera. But I would just say these 3 things you're safe with. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, especially if you watched it all the way through. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you all into my next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share if you can. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I hope to see you all next time. Bye.